Hi there, I'm Gary and welcome to my channel. Today I'm introducing the latest prize draw and it's something very special. The prize is a factory sealed 1975 kit of the SA-2 guideline missile in 1/76 scale from Airfix. Now if you know your Airfix kits, you'll know this is a very rare thing indeed. Not a massive amount were moulded back in the 1970s, but crucially the moulds have been long lost. It's one of the kit that Airfix really wishes they could reissue as a vintage classics, but sadly they can't. The kit is in absolutely super condition. It has the original shrink wrap cellophane in place. It's unopened and has no shop price labels. It is as it arrived at the distributors. Kits like this are perfect for the modern model maker. I've built one myself not very long ago and it was a joy to put together. However, as a rare never opened example, it has huge value to the collector as well. When they do appear on auction sites, these kits frequently sell for £100 or more. But you could have this one for as little as just £1 in the prize draw. What you have to do is go to the website below. The link is also in the information box, or you can follow this QR code. Once there, make sure you've registered. Then you need to answer a very simple multiple choice question using your skill and judgment. Get it right, and I think you will, and you can purchase tickets to the draw. Each ticket costs £1 and there are multi-buy offers available. You can visit and buy tickets as often as you like. Entries to the draw can be made up till midnight at the end of Sunday, November 30th, 2025 UK time. Immediately afterwards, my online partner, Raffle, will independently and at random select a winner from among the tickets purchased. I will contact the winner with the good news by email, so please make sure the email you use to register is correct. Once I hear from you, I'll send the prize to you at my own expense, no matter where you are in the world. And once you've accepted that prize, 10% of the revenue will be sent automatically to Models for Heroes, this channel's supported charity. So that's it for the moment. The prize draw is open for entries right now. If you do enter, I wish you the very best of luck. Thanks so much for watching today, and goodbye.